Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can stop sharing your location in the Perplexity AI application in 2026, for example, via the web app of Perplexity AI. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Perplexity AI, for example, via Google Chrome, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to the account settings here at the top. Here guys, what you want to do is switch from the account settings or preferences to the personalization to the left, and here we'll see to the right a tab called location. So there are two ways how you can do this. You can, for example, decide to either share or to stop sharing your location by clicking into this button. And after that, if you already denied access or your location visibility to Perplexity AI, which I did, you will see this notification in the top right. So in this case, you will need to navigate to the site settings of Perplexity if you're on Google Chrome. You may do that by clicking into this symbol next to the URL address. And here you may enable the location sharing, reset the permission, or navigate to the site settings on Google Chrome. And here you will be redirected to the privacy and security tab for Perplexity AI. And here next to location, switch from ask or allow to block, just like I did, or if you'd like to restart sharing your location, switch to either ask or allow. If you switch to allow, you will give Perplexity AI the permission. If you switch to ask, you will see that a notification in the top left, usually asking you for permission to share your location whenever you click into this button. And that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.